Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is my first YouTube video in English. I already have a channel in my native language, but this is my first YouTube video in English language. So guys, first I need to tell you something. My English isn't perfect. Please be patient. I'm still learning English. I'll improve my English in future videos. Today we will patch a simple GUI application or portable executable. I was already generated simple GUI application using Windows API. This C program was written by ChatGPT. This was generated from G2AI. I already have compiled version in this folder. You can see testgui.exe. I'm not going to look at this code because we are going to reverse engineer this. First, I will show you what is inside this binary. I'll open this HXD is a hex etcher. If you go to all the way up to there is many strings. Those are debugger symbols. Let's search for winmain. Winmain. Because winmain is the main function in the GUI application. If this is a console application, main function is main. If this is a GUI application, we already know this is a GUI application. It means main function is winmain. Winmain. I choose all, then press OK. Here this is the symbol for winmain. This binary was not stripped. It means binary have all the symbol for function names and variable names and other debugger symbols. Before reverse engineering this, I'm going to strip this binary. I'm open terminal with, you can see mount d winrar.re. Don't think about my folder name, it is just a temporary folder name. I mean, this is not PowerShell, I mean WSL. WSL means Windows Subsystem for Linux. You can download from Microsoft Store or just simply type in WSL -- install. I think it's the right command. I tried this before, that's why this command is here. I will strip this exe. After I strip, then I can open this again and I can search for winmain. I press all, then okay. Okay, you can't find winmain. It means winmain is gone. If I scroll up down, uh, you can see a lot of debugger symbol are gone. Yes, one. Now I'm going to open Ghidra. What is Ghidra? And patch. Not just reverse engineering, patch this binary. Before we going to open Ghidra, I will tell you what is Ghidra. If you don't know about it, don't worry. But I think most people watching this video is familiar with or even just ask about those tools. I'm going to run test GUI.txt. Okay, it is simple GUI application. We have an input box and a button. Oh, try again. I'm typing what's up. Try again. I'm trying. Hi. Try again. Numbers. Try again. We need to bypass this. I'm going to make patch version of this binary. If we type anything and press this button, it should give us success or granted result. Instead of giving pop up, try again. Need to look at this binary. What is Ghidra? I'm just searching Ghidra. Ghidra. Ghidra is a free and open source tool developed by NSA. This is a reverse engineering tool. If you are into malware analysis, reverse engineering, or any low level tasks, you definitely ask about this tool. I'm going to open this tool because I'm not going to how to install it. Is I think everyone in this field can install software. I'm going to open Ghidra. Again, I need to tell you my English isn't perfect. I have a lot of grammar errors. Sorry for my English. I'll polish my English in future videos. Ghidra was loading. Ghidra is loading. I think Ghidra is loading. My glitch is wrong. I don't need the tips. I don't think about those my previous binaries. File, new project, none is shared project. Next, choose the folder. Project name is just press finish. I have a project. Just drag and drop binary hashing. It will automatically identify what is this is a portable executable, Windows portable executable, x86 little engine 64 size default Windows. Okay, it is default. I press OK. Click code browser or just double click. It is asking me test.txt has not been analyzed. Would you like to analyze it? Yes. In default and press analyze. It will take a couple of seconds to analyze this binary. And you can see it already found the entry point. How this entry point can found? Analyze found the symbol entry. Would you like to go to the symbol? Yes. This is a warning and I don't care about not warning. I don't know. It is bring us to entry point. This is labeled. This is stored on PE header, portable executable header. If you don't know about portable executable, search on Google or ask from AI what is portable executable header. Then you will identify how to this entry point will identify. Is this our winmain? No, 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 no. This is not our winmain function. If you see this code, you can see inside this winmain function more code, but here just few times. If you double click this, guys, inside this is also not the our main winmain function. This is called several other functions inside. I think this is also C runtime function CRT. This could be no. This is not the correct one. I I'm pressing back. I press about. I'm going to this function. Yep, this is the function that we want. No, this is not the main function, but this is the main function that Windows runtime are not directly called to the winmain. This is make environment and then call to the winmain. This is the I think I think this is the our winmain function because you can see what are the arguments passed into this function. First one is instance. We will let's let's look let's look signature of winmain winmain function winmain function winmain function instance h instance h previous instance a handle to the current instance of SQL. This is the handle to the this application and this is previous and to the previous instance of the application. This parameter is always null. You can see guys can this is 0. It means this should be winmain and winmain have 4 others and this definitely should be winmain. We can change this function signature to 4 read easier. I'm search for winmain Find signature. Main application endpoint. This is the signature. I'm going to copy this and right click, edit function signature. Then paste this here. This is the calling convention. This was not need to include and W is not need to include. This is the function and uh, unexpected tail in text at end of. Okay, this semicolon is the there. Press enter. Okay, then press OK. You guys see function was changed to its original state. We have an instance, our application instance, handler to our application instance, and 0, then other variables. Now we have this main function. This is the main function we need to understand to patch our binary. Let's look what's going on here. Register a class. I'm going to search this function. Register class A. Register class function. Register window classes for subsequent using call to the create window. In higher level, this function is actually doing register a window. Then after we can use create window function to create this registered window. Okay, its argument is window and its type is VND class. It means this variable is definitely VND class A. See this. This is cast to VND class, window class. I'm going to change. Okay, guys, you can see this is 58, 48, 38, 28. But this is all are one structure called Windows class, VND class. We need to convert this type. Right click, retype VND class A. I'm press this one. This is a pointer, but we need this one and press OK. Okay, guys. After we press OK, we can see this whole function was separate variable into one variable and change this decompiler layout. I'm rename this variable into VND class uh, WC for short. Window class dot icon window class dot cursor window class dot background window class dot lps menu name and class name. This is the class name. Class name is soar window class and register. This code is register this window class in anywhere this code we can use create window exe with this class name to create class. We can see this was creating class called soar window class. This class was creating this registers class with soar input checker. This is the title. I'm going to run this binary. Export input checker. You can see this window. This uh, it is weird. Don't worry about it. It is weird. This code is definitely creating this window, this outer window. Now we need to find the window procedure of this created window. We need to first look at this structure of registered window. This don't show the name of win procedure here. I'm going to assemble view. You can see ws.lfvnd4. This is the Windows procedure, and this label is a function. This function was moved into win procedure slot. We can follow this. We can follow this. And can we create function? Yes, we can create a function. I'm change this function with real Windows procedure function signature. Win pro signature. This is the signature for it. Edit function signature. Paste here. Callback is calling convention. I can delete this and semicolon. Press enter. Press OK. Okay, now this is changed into Windows procedure function. Its argument is sw and u message, w parameter, l parameter. Okay, let's. Okay, we can see some logic here. Success, try again. Before we need to understand where this button are created. I'll copy this and go into ChatGPT to ask about this function. Hey GPT, first I will tell you what is this window procedure function. Guys, there is a window, created window. Don't worry about this weird black window. This XOR input checker window. When we interact with this window, all messages are sent to this message mean not not text messages. I mean signals are sent into this function, and all the logic is defined here. Okay. Hey GPT, what is the message called create window? Windows, not window, not Windows. Don't worry about it. When you call create window or create window X, the system send a few messages to your window procedure. I told you when we interact with this is sending message into the window procedure function, but creating this window operating system is sending some messages into few messages into this window. The system sends few messages into your window procedure automatically before and after the window is created. Here the extracts order win n. You can see this hex code win nc create. Send first before the window non-click area is created. Border title win and enclave class size wm create. Send after the non-client area is created. See, this is 001. If we go to our Ghidra, this is exactly one. This is the message. If you message is one, it means this function is run when creating this. It is creating another window called edit. I think it is this one. This class is registered somewhere. You can see this is empty. This title is empty. It means this title is empty. Then it also creates the button check XOR. It means it creates this check XOR button. Okay, guys. Now, guys, we need to find this button ID. Menu, handle menu. If we go into the handle menu, H menu handle to a menu or a specific child window identifier depending on the window style. For an overlap or pop-up window, H menu identifies the menu to be used with the window. It can be null if the class menu is to be used. For child window, H menu specifies the child window identifier, an integer value used by dialog box control to notify its parent. It means it is the integer value that send notify parent to I was clicked. I interact with user is interacting with me. Okay, we can see this. This one is, I think it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. It is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 0, 37. 37. Guys, watch this. It is comparing is this WP parameter. This is the parameter that written when any notification, any message is after any message. This parameter include the ID of this button. It is 0x37. If it clicked, it check. Guys, it check. It do str compare. This is simple, guys. It do str compare. It means compare our string with this data. Before compare, it is run this function. But what we need to do, change this if statement to not equal. It means if we enter any wrong password, wrong text, str compare is return non-zero value. It means if we put this is not equal, it shows success. Even if we enter wrong text, it shows success. Guys, now we know what we want to do. We need to convert this into not equal. Look at listing table. You can see this is where str compare function was called. This str function was called. After call, this function return value into the EAX register or RX register. Then it is to test EAX and EAX. This is equal to this if statement. This is like checking is this 0 or not. Jump not 0. This is not 0. This is jump into this lab 14.0.0.0.19.3e. It is else. This is not equal. It is jump to else. We will look at this. This is jump not 0. This is not 0. I'm going to double click this label. You can see after I double click that label, this is the where we started. After I double click this label, it is bring me to this location. If you watch closely, you can see this is the try again print. This is the try again print where the try again message popped. This is it. Try again. Now what we need to do, we can do various things. We can do change this into jump 0. If this is wrong, this is never jump to this label. If we change this into jump 0, this is not going to jump. This is print success. Even our text is correct, but we have another problem. If we enter correct text, it is bring us to try again result. But we don't need that behavior. We can change this into NOP instruction. NOP mean do nothing. This is executing this success. This is never check if statement, always check, always execute this success instruction. We can remove this if statement. If you guys watch closely, this instruction is 2 bytes long. We can change this. right click. Now we are going to actually fetch this binary. Fetch instruction, Control Shift G. After we click it, we have this nice editable window. Remove this NOP. No. When I print no, there are suggestions. There are several suggestions here. Nope mean just 90 hex value. This is 4890. This is 2 byte long nope. This is same as 1 byte long nope. This is same as this nope instruction. But this is 2 byte long. I am click this one. Okay, guys, you can see this is changed into nope and byte are changed to 48 and 90. Now our patch was successfully. File, export program. Before we export this, we need to click. We don't need to select. We need to click outside. Now byte was not selected. File, export program. I'm change input into the raw byte. Raw byte means just byte. This is my location. C user 10 desktop test GUI.exe output file. Okay, Robin. This is Robin. Okay, our export was successful. I press OK. Guys, you can see this is the raw binary file .bit. If I open this in hex editor, hxb test GUI, you guys can see this is portable executable header. This is the same as our original .exe. Only change thing is 48 and only change thing is this nope instruction 48 90 bytes 48 and 90. We can simply do remove this .bin extension. If you change file extension, yes, I sure, yes. Now this is the executable file. I can double click it. Okay, it is opened our GUI program. Now I'm going to type something blah blah blah. Check success. You can see if we enter anything, success. We successfully bypassed the I don't know what is it called, login mechanism or no, I don't know. I don't know English. I will call it success message. Okay, whatever. We successfully bypassed this program. Now we can always get success. I hope you learned something from my video. And sorry for my English. I have a lot of grammar error. I am still learning English. I hope improve my English in future videos. Comment your ideas below. In future video, guys, I'm going to bring video about malware development, Windows malware development, lot of low level videos, and C2 framework development and how to work those C2 from framework, how malware work, cybersecurity videos. If you guys think this is helpful, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye, guys.